Yeah, hello friends, this is Sunil Pawar here and I'm back with one more video. In today's video, we'll see the performance of SPTS demo calls. SPTS demo calls, those were given on 23rd of May for the week of 24th May to 27th of May. This video which I am highlighting here, I had given demo call on last Sunday. Last Sunday this demo call was given and almost 30 stocks were given there. In today's video we are going to see all the calls given and the performance of each stock. So if you have not seen this video, then you can check this video and you will find there was a live demo call that was given on 23rd of May, and you will also find the rules of trading those calls in that video. So we'll check all these details. Before that, I'll tell you, this is my channel Sunil Suklal Pawar. There are already 20,000 subscribers are there, and if you are not subscribed this channel, then you can subscribe so that you will get demo calls every week. This channel gives demo calls like Nifty Bank Nifty expiry demo call on Thursday, and the subscribers get the demo calls like SPTS demo call and all other demo calls. Those are given here. This is India's only channel which gives demo calls, and there is nothing else but the demo calls only. So you can subscribe this channel if you are not subscribed till now. And now we are going to see the calls. This is the website equityfact.com, and these calls are given to the paid clients, but the paid client needs to have ID and password. So these calls were given on 23rd of May, and the calls for the week of 24th of May to 27th of May. And you can see these calls. I'm scrolling down slowly so that you can see the calls. Track means this stock or these options are going to rock, are going to move. They are going to give a big move in this week. So that is the track list. Whichever stock is in track list, that stock is expected to give a big move in that particular week. So Tata Motors is in a track list, Ashok Leyland is in a track list. Banking stocks, energy, financial services, infra, IT, media, metal, and finally pharma stocks. So lot of people were asking me questions like, sir, why you are giving so many calls? My answer is, the trader or the subscriber can follow any stock. He can follow any stock and he will still get the profit. So that is the design of these calls, and the trader can follow these stocks in track list for a better profit. And there are stock selection rules which you can find in this video. So if you follow the stock selection rules, there are big chances of making a big profit with these calls. So now we are going to see the performance in detail. Performance is like on 20. This is my Telegram channel, Sunil Pawar Best Option Analyst. If you want to join this channel, you need to search Sunil Pawar Option King. Sunil Pawar Option King you need to search on Telegram. There are already 4,345 subscribers are there. Here, if you see, this video was posted on Sunday. On Sunday by 10 p.m. almost, this video was posted, and this was the live demo call that was given for the next week. On Monday, when market opened, I posted like this: let us check performance of positional option calls given on Sunday in above video. So the first of all, Infra, Adani Ports and LT both were in track list, and most surprisingly, if you see, Adani Ports put hit two targets by 10 o'clock only. This was the entry price. You can see the entry price, easy entry, and then it has hit two targets by 10 o'clock on Monday. And you can check this call, and you can also check how many targets Adani Ports put has hit in this week. And then this is LT call. LT call option, Adani Ports put activated, it has given two targets. LT call activated, it has given two targets. Both the stocks opposite direction and from the same sector. So this was a kind of movement where Adani Ports and LT, both stocks are from the same sector, but Adani Ports put is moving, it is giving two targets. LT call is moving, it is giving two targets. It means this was a signal that this week market may be in a big range. Market is not going to move this week, because some stocks are going downwards, some stocks are going upwards, unless majority of the stocks go up or go down. Market is not going to go up or down. So here Adani Ports is going down, LT is going up. So this was somewhere a signal, kind of signal. The market is going to move in a range, tight range for this week. So how much profit that we can read also. Adani Ports put has generated profit of 25,000 on Monday itself. Later on you can check and you can calculate the profit. LT call hit two targets, and LT call has generated 58,000 profit Monday morning. So these two calls activated, and they have given almost 85,000 profit by 10:30 a.m. Monday itself, and both the stocks were in track list. So track means the software will tell you the name of the stocks which are going to move in that week. So you are going to know in advance on Sunday which stocks are going to move next week. This is a fantastic feature of these calls, track list. So let us see. So these two stocks have given 83,000 profit. Now next metal stocks. Tata Steel put hit the target, VDL put hit the target, JSW Steel put hit the target. We can see that Tata Steel put hit the target, and it has generated profit of 20,000. VDL put hit the target, generated profit of 18,000. JSW put hit the target, generated profit of 31,000. So, but here basically Nifty and Bank Nifty at the same time had activated call options. So safe traders will not enter into all these three puts which have given a big profit. But here why I am telling, because I am trying to tell you the accuracy of the software and the performance of the software. Even if those are puts, Tata Steel and VDL both were in track list and they have given big profit. So here we are covering all the track list calls. So here puts activated, they have given big profit on Monday. Now let us see further. JSW put 695, generated profit of 31,000. Now next were Maruti and Hero Moto. What activated, how much profit they have given, we'll see. Maruti call generated profit of 15,000. Hero Moto call generated profit of 21,000. Then there is BPCL. It generated profit of 18,000. BPCL call option generated profit of 18,000. Then we have come to 25th of May. It is BPCL. These calls which you are able to see here, these calls are intraday calls, so we'll ignore it. These calls are intraday calls. This is the performance, put performance of intraday call, not positional. Now after BPCL there was a stock of Reliance, and Reliance was marked as a track, means Reliance was expected to give a big move in this week. What has happened we can see. Reliance call activated, Reliance put 2000 activated, BPCL call activated, Reliance put activated, and Reliance put has generated profit of almost 7,000. So here again BPCL and Reliance, two frontline stocks of one same sector. BPCL is going up, Reliance is going down, and that's why this was a signal of market moving in range in this week. Market is not going to go up or go down because half of the stocks are going up, half of the stocks are going down, and the main frontline stocks like BPCL is going up, Reliance is going down. So market is not having any strength on any trend, like market is not going to go up or going to go down because the stocks are moving like this. Then next IT, TCS and Wipro. TCS and Wipro, they are again in track list. It means TCS and Wipro are expected to give a big move in this week, and they have really given big moves. TCS call 3080 generated profit of 11,000 on Tuesday. Wipro call has also given a big profit. Here it is Zeal. Zeal has given a big profit. We'll see that. Zeal call generated profit of 33,000. So Wipro, you can check Wipro call activated, it has given target. Then Sun Pharma first hit, Sun Pharma call option hit the stop loss, and later on it has given two targets. That also will check. Auro Pharma call and put both not activated, hence no trade. Dr. Reddy call and put both not activated, hence no trade. Cipla call made entry and given a good profit. Bajaj Finance, Indiabull Housing Finance, both call and put not activated, hence no trade. So now we have come into Wednesday. TCS and Wipro given targets yesterday. So Wipro is somewhere missing there, but Wipro has given target. Now after TCS and Wipro, Infi call generated profit of 7,680. So Infi call has also hit the target on Wednesday. Sun Pharma first call activated, hit the stop loss on Monday, and then Sun Pharma call again activated and given two targets. Here it is one target, but it has given two targets on Thursday. This was a demo call that was given, intraday demo call. Bank Nifty call 34,600, entry at 633. It has not hit the stop loss. It has given high of 888. It has given high of 888 only, and that too on Monday, not on Thursday. It has given close of 436. So Nifty call options activated. They have neither given target nor given a stop loss. That is the status of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now we'll see SBI. We'll see the banking stocks. SBI opened at 17, made high of 24. So SBI has hit the target. Entry at 12.40, because on Monday it has gone down to 7.60. So case of SBI is very interesting. Like, lot of people were asking me, sir, why this stop loss is 0? The stop loss was 0 because these calls are generated by a software. So whatever software calculates is the call. So software thought like the stop loss is 0. Then second thing is, this was the last week of the month. That's why if SBI call 405, if it does not give you target, then it will become 0. If it does not give you target, then it will become 0. So what happened with SBI? It opened at 17. So it opened above the entry price. Entry price was 12.40. Entry price was 12.40. It opened above the entry price, but it came down to the entry price. As per our rule, whenever it comes down to the entry price, you can take the trade. Then it did not become 0. It has given high of 24.10 on Thursday, on 27th of May, and it has given close of 24. So it closed at 24. It did not become 0. It crossed the entry price and it has given close at the double. So this is the performance. So this software which generated this call was extremely correct. If there was any other stop loss, then there was a chance of stop loss getting hit. So this call has generated a big profit like 35,000. This is SBI has given this profit for fourth consecutive week. Every week I am able to see SBI is giving profit, and this was the consecutive fourth week where SBI has given big profit. That is 35,000 for 2 lots. Axis had generated profit of 22,000. ICICI Bank had generated profit of 18,000. HDFC has generated profit of 13,000. Sun Pharma first hit stop loss and then generated profit of 15,000. So loss was recovered, profit was made. Auro Pharma call and put both not activated. Dr. Reddy call and put both not activated. So friends, this was the performance. And the other stocks like Wipro that was not covered. You can check the Wipro has given big targets. So you can check all the stocks which are in track list. And you can check the performance of each stock, and if you do the stock selection properly, it means stock selection is very simple. Stock selection means the stocks from track list which are activating on Monday. Any stock which is activating on Tuesday, any stock which is activating on Wednesday will not generate that much profit, and the stocks which activated on Monday, they will generate a big profit. So any three stocks from different three sectors you can pick up, and the stocks which are activating first on Monday, the sector which is the sector where all the stock options are activating are the stocks which should be selected on priority, and the stocks which are listed in track list and they are activating on Monday first. I mean, the first stocks which are activating from track list should be selected, and the trader will make big profit. Here in the entire list you will not find even 2 stocks which made loss. In the entire list you will not find even 2 stocks which made loss. So the person who is taking 3 stocks will surely make a big profit for that week. So friends, this was the performance report of the demo call that I had given. So share all these channels and videos with all of your friends so that everybody takes benefit of these calls and this knowledge. Thanks friends.